You want to protect and cover your Beat Solo headband. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you the perfect solution for that. Our WC Bands headband covers for Beat Solo headphones. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install them and how they look like. So let's start the video. Okay, so it's going to be super simple. Here I have the Beat Solo 3 wireless. These headband covers that I'm about to show you are going to fit the Beat Solo 2 wireless, the Beat Solo 2 wired, and the Beat Solo 3 wireless. All right, I'm going to be using our gold marble design. And let me show you, it's going to be super simple. You're simply going to align it and open it like this. Just going to align it to the headband. Open one side and just put it all across the headband like that. And then just take the other side. Like this. And as you see, it's a little unaligned, so I'm just going to pull it. So I align it, and that is it. Completely on the headband, fits seamlessly with it, and it's not going to fall off because it's really tight on the headband. If you want to try these out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.